guys, welcome to the channel. This is just a quick video, quick introduction about what the channel is going to be about and the bike itself. This is a 1010 125R road legal. What you can expect to see from the channel: pit bike videos, pit bike modification videos. I've already done a couple of modifications, as you can see. I did handlebars, got Renthal Fat Boys, grips and handguards, and apart from that, the only other thing I've changed is the end cans. But we've got a lot of modifications in store for this bike, so hopefully you can stick around, drop a like, a comment on stuff you'd like to see in future videos, and stay tuned to the next one, guys. Thanks, peace out.